The bottom is open on purpose. Alright, today I'll show you how to set up Overay TUNE on your Meta Quest 3. It's a lightweight replacement head strap designed around an open bottom fit. First, remove the original face cushion and strap. With the original parts removed, let's choose the cushion before we attach the strap. TUNE comes with two cushion options, short and long. Short is for a closer, more immersive fit. Long is better if you wear glasses or want more room for longer sessions. For this setup, I'm going with the long cushion. Next, install the rear halo pad. Line it up with the back of the halo strap. Start from one side and then fit the other side into place. Now, let's move on to the strap. You can install the cushion first, but honestly, I find it easier to attach the strap first. So I'll start by locking in these side arms and top support strap. Lock the TUNE side arms into the Quest 3 side mounts. Align one side, press until it clicks, then repeat on the other side. The side with the Overay TUNE text goes toward the back. Feed the unbranded end through the front slot, then secure it through the loop on top of the halo strap. Now install the cushion you chose earlier. Line it up with the front bracket, then press it in until it sits cleanly in place. Put the headset on, then use the rear dial to tighten or loosen the halo strap. You can also fine-tune the top support strap for a more secure fit. Once the fit is dialed in, the whole setup looks clean and natural on Quest 3. Made in the same factory as Meta Quest hardware, TUNE is designed to blend in with the headset. The real difference is the open bottom fit. Less cheek contact, more room for glasses, and a clear view below for your keyboard, phone, or a quick sim. So if you use Quest 3 at your desk, TUNE gives you a cleaner, more open setup. That's Overay TUNE for Meta Quest 3. Use code TUNE10 today for 10% off and upgrade your Quest 3 setup.